Hi everyone, welcome to your heart reading. Okay, so sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading. Okay, so there's one card that is here, and the message is, what's the message? The message came through for you, everyone, like collective reading, as happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Whoever. Happy birthday to you. Okay, that's of all my readings, this kind of message. And it is not about specific birthday of anyone. This message is weird, okay, very mysterious. Reason is that it is about some happy time that is coming in the picture. Now we all have happy times every now and then, but happy time connected with certain kind of birth of a child. Okay, birth day, there's going to be day in this time frame, though these are timeless, sooner or a little bit later, okay, there's going to be birth of a child. So happy birthday. There's going to be something that you're going to fix. Oh my God, they came. That kind of birth. For some cases, this is the energy of like happy times ahead. And there's going to be birth of serious or sincere love. I always say, of course, there's a difference between sincere and serious, but I would say that this is S square love, which is going to be both sincere and serious. Someone is serious about you. They are sincere about their feelings. This kind of energy is coming. So it's going to be happy birthday. Happy Halloween, everyone. Happy Halloween. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. How have you been? So your first card is Eight of Wands energy. Makes sense. Lot of sense. This is awesome, okay? I'm hearing awesome energy. And this is going to be happy birthday. This is going to be someone who is dialing the number. This is someone who is trying to throw flowers at you. This is someone who is going to present you flowers or present you flowers with emotions, okay? There's going to be very soft talk coming from someone. You know them or you just met them, but not someone random on the street. Of course, I'm not talking about that. This is with some energy you've already dealt with for some time or recently, if this is something a startup. But this is also something coming right, and it's going to come so like this. It's going to have splashes of water in your life, and those splashes of water, they are going to give you that freshness and the feel that is worth. This is happy birthday. Possible someone's birthday is falling. Of course, we have dates, we have months, we have signs. But I kind of got the message that they were trying to give me was happy birthday. There's going to be this day when you'll have happy news, happy energy, happy talk, happy movement. Something is going to happen, and this is in the love area. Very, very deep. Let's see. Telling me happy times ahead. After your curiosity, after certain kind of discussion with no conclusion situation, there's going to be curiosity entering in your life. Page of Wands energy. Surprising moment, message, maybe from Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm just giving the signs you might be dealing or listening. Exciting phase. Okay, your Two of Swords energy here with Four of Wands. Happy times after no talk, no decision, no conclusion. no words told, no revelations. This is going to be possible. 2 months were tough for you, possible 2 years were tough for you regarding this connection or your relationship. And here you go, there's certain kind of confirmation coming in this picture. You people will talk and talk about a lot of stuff. Maybe you're going to meet at a restaurant, maybe someone is inviting you at their place, or you are going to meet them at your own place. However, this is going to be talk. If this is not the real meeting, there may be someone else. Okay, this may be something unorganized talk, unorganized or unexpected call or meeting that's going to happen. There may be travel on someone's part, yours or this person's part. Okay, however, this is like happy time they're telling me. This is something that you people are going to celebrate and talk about. This is something that you're going to get free from. Something that is going to give boost in your life. Whatever was keeping you stuck with someone or thought, there you are going to come out of it. I heard air, that little tiny air or breeze or whatever is going to be. It's going to do like to your hair like this. Like little bit of like this. So this is something that you're going to talk and you're going to feel air in your aura. Best part is that you're going to be happy. And that's what I heard, happy times. They're also saying slow down, but there's nothing written, that's just my wall. They're showing me the word slow down, SLOWDOWN, little bit slow down because this is coming. And you won't, yes, you will be confused that what is happening. What is happening out of the blues? What is going on? Okay, with the Two of Swords energy, you might be in this situation of like, what should I do? There may be proposal, there may be talk, there may be settling thing. There may be something which is going to bring happy times. 11, which is Four of Wands energy. Of course, when we see it, again there is a pet, might be cat, specific for some of you. Happy birthday. Oh, okay. So maybe someone will. There's also birthday of someone possible, or someone's birthday, and there's celebration. Someone gonna approach you and talk to you, and they're going to express their feelings. Maybe there's proposal coming for you guys. Sudden kind of like happy birthday, or maybe your birthday. I don't know who is listening because these are collective readings. Surprise, surprise, surprise. But slow down means that take things slow. Shouldn't be fast. Shouldn't be, right? But this is the Lovers, Gemini card. But with the Lovers, there's going to be something that you might have hoped for, admired. You might have admired someone, hoped for, believed in, and were positive all this time. Maybe it is just about you being single for a very long time, and then you were praying, okay, send me someone who is good, better for me. And that's what is coming in your life. Lovers card, happy birthday. Maybe you got married on your birthday, or maybe you got engaged, or whatever your important phase or event is, or this person's happy birthday was there. Anyways, apart from happy birthday, there's going to be happy birth time. The days, those are going to be happy times, and with the Lovers, there's going to be heavy reunion. I always see it as like heavy reunion card. Like, yes, of course, union, lovers are coming, or people who are meant to, soulmates are coming, but heavy reunion with the fact that people who were not supposed to come in certain time frame, they might end up coming together and talking, especially after no contact, okay, or certain misunderstanding or anything. But people who love to work on the relationship and partnership, this is what their card is holding hands. The ones who are supposed to come together or come back together. Alright. Saying stop it. Don't take that. Okay, fine. Fine. So I'm going to take, whoa, Four of Wands energy. Oh. Okay, I just love these expressions of mine. Why? Because you have same cards. How is it possible? How is it possible? Okay, so Four of Wands with Two of Swords energy. You see. Something is going to happen major. Boom, boom. You're going to celebrate something. You're going to be very happy when you're going to talk to someone. Because I feel that you're going to hear something that will make so much of sense that you're going to be like, first you're going to see your phone or like this, oh, what is happening? Just like this. Won't be able to understand something here in this phase. But Lovers is such a pure card here. And especially after Three of Swords, misunderstandings, chaotic situations, disperse kind of energies, busy people working, neglecting, arrogance, attitude, coming down, boom. With Three of Swords, anything, whatever was problem, is coming on track, like taking out those problems out of your heart, burning sensation, whatever was, separation, divorces, lot of stuff. But then when it says that when you look at this and you don't feel the pain and this is what is supposed to be happening, you just did whatever kind of energy, okay, and it's about happy birthday. Some of you are free from this, and that's why it's your look. When you are free from something chaotic, and of course it's your life, you've been through stuff, and you start living your life on a whole new level, to new place, no chaos, moving, traveling, doing the stuff that you always wanted to. It's your birthday. It's your happy birthday. Yes, it's going to, you people are going to match the vibes or energies. We are living in vibrations, okay? Vibrations, channeling, understanding, rhythm, synchronicities, a lot of stuff that we don't see but they exist, right? And after this, it's a blessing. Maybe this is about your own separation or breakup or something that might have happened. Of course, divorces, anything that happened. Now you're heralding to something beautiful in your life. The expression is definitely here, which makes a lot of things clear. Sometimes I love using, okay, it makes sense, but sometimes I feel like, okay, don't use this word. I was about to say my word, name. Because nickname is SA, of course. Many people know my name because when they book the reading, there is always information. They know my name, right? My full name. And I'm also waiting for something like big to happen. Like if I like reach 1 lakh, and if I'm about to reach 1 lakh sooner, then I may end up doing some announcement. That's the secret between us. So people who are following, joining, let's reach 1 lakh, okay? The split was not easy. But now, you have a happy birthday. Some of you might be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Let's see what is coming. There's going to be initiating something. No more rounds, it's just clear. All clear round. Okay, what is with this person? Whoever this person, and you know, of course, if you know. I think they want to talk. Page of Swords. I think they always stop themselves not to message, but they know what you're doing. They know, they observe you. They have sources. Now, maybe they see you doing stuff on social sources, of course, Instagram, or other things like YouTube itself, stuff like that. They know, maybe WhatsApp, anything, wherever they are, okay, and you are there, and they are finding you, or they know what you are doing, so that kind of stuff, okay. So the problem with them is like they are just closing their eyes and not doing what they're supposed to do. So this is again Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. But apart from that, this person might be thinking about you to balance things out with you. What is with this person? King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, listening or dealing. So this happy birthday is all about messaging, and that's going to be the startup of something, birth of relationship, connection, conversation, ending of the problems. This is what possible they are thinking. Or maybe they're feeling like you're going to cut them off because whatever happened in past. There's going to be startup of something, hopefully positive. Good luck with that. They are away at a distance. Love. Happy birthday. Wedding. Some of them want to say this to you. Some of you had this with this person and they want to talk again about something. But I feel with the happy birthday card, this person does want to talk about wedding here. Possible their wedding with you. They are not fine. Prison, they might be feeling clogged up, or there are so many thoughts in their mind and they might be figuring out what to do. I talked about cat. And in this, Sibila, they have falseness connected with the cat. Now, falseness is possible connected with the energy that someone who feels like in prison is because of someone who betrayed in relationship or wedding. And that is why Three of Swords in separation, and someone who is not talking. They had relationship, they had home, they had marriage, whatever this is for you as in specific. This was because they chose someone over you, or something happened and which was the cause of release here. You release very beautiful relationship also. And that's why I talked about. For some this is going to be the startup. For some this is about the healing. For some this is about I release, and this is my happy birthday. Falseness. So I talked about cat. Someone who might have tried to manipulate you, possible. Or maybe someone who is feeling very false in their self and feeling like in prison in their own thoughts of doing wrong to you. Readings may tell even criminals here, right? The crime, which goes with prison. Someone who did wrong to someone and they had to go. This person is definitely not or was not right for you, or they might have done so wrong that they don't deserve you in their life. For some cases, yes. So if you people are crying over someone, or you were sad for a very long time because you were in this connection, of course, who can tell better than you? But this caused you so much of trouble. So you know that this person was this falseness, and they're paying for that. However, this may take a turn and tell you things like happy birthday, because this person is aware that they did wrong and they want to talk to you about some matters regarding the connectivity they want possible with you. I'm also seeing here marriage that was done on the basis to secure their lies or theft or betrayal of something from their past. Not knowing the whole truth, because there is always storyline to things, good not so good, bad. Okay. Okay, so take care and I love you. Bye.